Welcome to Teddy Ganja Broadcast. Get informed, yeah. Don't get rocked, just be cool, yeah. Get informed.
Hello. It is Thursday, August 17th. We have made it to the final live stream for this week. I will be back yet again on Monday, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. And I do want to remind everybody, thank you for clicking on this live stream, whether you're watching it live or the play recording. I do wish that you would subscribe to our channel as well as like the video. It helps the channel out. The goons are growing. And we want to educate as many crypto enthusiasts that there are still people here trying to educate the masses about crypto and what's going on there. So, guys, smoke that like button. It helps the channel out. We're going to go right into it today. We're going to start off with the market. There has been so much stuff going on. Basically, Shibarium. It's not going well. It's just like base. I'm sorry. It's not doing good. Shibarium is not what I thought it was gonna end up being. I was promised so much X's, the 10x Teddy. Oh, once Shibarium comes out, all these projects and all this stuff, and it's like, was it ever ready? Why are we in this situation? We got to talk so much about that. So the markets are hit. A lot of money has left today compared to where we were yesterday with Wadi and I. And shout out to Wadi, the crypto hunter. Thank you for coming on the stream, buddy. We're at 1.06 trillion, guys. This is almost a 7.07 trillion down since yesterday, which is a lot. That is 6.46%. Across the day. So this is the biggest hit we have taken in a long time. And Bitcoin currently trades at 26,742. And this is so interesting because yesterday with Wadi, these were the numbers that we were predicting that if 28 broke and that support broke, the next one down was 2,667. And that is exactly where we're going down this path. Now, what's interesting is Ethereum also took a big hit, 1,700. We've also predicted this. We're going to get into this during the charts and stuff, but I do want to make note that the market has suffered. And by the way, a lot of new goons. Welcome. Please smash that subscribe. It helps the channel. I want to just go through the comments, catch up. Triple G, smoke that like button. Hey, Teddy and the goons. Coochie boy. We got SK. We got Anthony Williams. Mark Nopi, smoke that like button. Happy Thursday. That identifies as a Friday. You are so right, Mark Noby. That's exactly what it feels like. Friday. Every time my Thursday comes in, I'm like, yes, it's my Friday. But unfortunately, my job doesn't just end there. I want to keep educating and keep you guys informed in case something crazy does happen. The best way to know is to learn together, and someone's got to, give you guys that information. And I appreciate you guys tuning in to me to give you that news. So the heat map currently does look quite scary because we've suffered. I believe NASDAQ was down 1,000 points. I think we were at like 13,000. We've never even seen or 13,000 or 12,000, no, 13,000. But we've never seen levels like this. I think the lowest I've seen is like 10,000 ever. So this is definitely even news because I recently met up with Dusty, and for those of you guys don't know, Dusty Tillerson, big financial guru, comes in once in a while into our channel and educates us, and he's saying, hey, it is not looking good because we are having other countries say they're in recessions. We have banks failing. We have Chinese bank fail that mostly regulated a real estate. So there's a lot happening. And one of the things that happens is people sell risk assets because they need that dollar value. And Bitcoin is part of that risk asset. So it is getting affected right now. Um, Yo Goons, F Joe Crypto, nice to see you, buddy. And Red Sox, I see ya. I see ya. It is hurting right now. It's hurting right now, guys. It is. Shaitoshi pulled the same type of scam your boy Cliff Fettner, the scammer, did. I do not know if Shaitoshi is scamming or not. I also do not know the repercussions of Cliff Fettner. That is a whole nother discussion. But definitely, Shibarium is a big hit from where it was to what it's turning into, and what the community now feels, because we initially came into Shibarium going, hey, this is going to be a blockchain. And as far as I know, I expected a layer two blockchain, but unfortunately, it ended up being that transactions were getting halted. There was just not enough processing power, and some of it came because of RPC issues. Others came because Ethereum was locked up and not dispensing on the other side. So there were a lot of issues technically that they have said occurred, but whether it's a scam or whether a previous guy was scamming, whole different discussion. But I definitely feel bad for the Shiba Inu community, because guys, it's a big hit. It's a big hit, and across the market, we are suffering. Guys, never seen BNB even at 220. Let me see here. Hey Teddy, Steve C, long time no see. What's going on? BTC testing your resistance level steady. I know. I gotta tell you about the news even before we get into charts. Did Elon really pull out? Elon sold. Elon sold. Almost every person that has been following Elon's wallets, that has lined up to the financial things that he has let out, they are saying that he most likely is the one that sold, and affected this chart as well. There are trending cryptos. There are biggest gainers. Then this is going to be interesting, and biggest losers. XRP at 51 cents. It literally feels like we ripped that band-aid off, and it's that's it. It's also trending because this is the biggest hit I've ever seen for XRP to suffer. Ethereum and Bitcoin pretty much the same. Pepe pretty much the same. If you were talking to me before, Pepe was like 12. I was like, hey, I was kind of feeling bullish, but now the entire market, um, including Shiba Inu, Litecoin as well, 65, guys. Remember $90? Oh my God. ApeCoin. I'm glad I didn't DCA yet, but I am considering figuring out where that bottom could be. I know former Shib team members who predicted everything that Shy did. Dude, I Pistol Pete, I've had multiple people tell me that that the Shib team members were raising red flags, but I didn't get all the full details. That's the thing. He's a scammer. He absolutely, I'm not sure what Shaitoshi um intentions were, but at the same time, we got to step back. We got Shaitoshi, we got Voltoshi, we got how many undoxed devs that exist in this space right now, and it's like these are just two big projects. Imagine all the other projects. It's like can't trust people that are doxxed, can't trust people that are undoxed. There's no winning here. Teddy, China will broke soon. Well, it's interesting. I will talk about China. I don't have any articles yet. I need the analysis to come in with like true analysis from China on what exactly caused the bank failure. And I know that bank mostly looked over real estate because I got the down low from Dusty. But yeah, I am very bearish on what's happening in China currently, but I don't think it is just China. I believe it is going to be across the board because Netherlands as well has done that. All right, so crypto futures. I just want to get in here, guys. People still remain fairly long on BTC, and I think it's just because the price has dipped a large majority. We're down 6%, so I think they're literally trying to push that back into back into 30,000 territory and hopefully take profits. But according to Wadi, this could dip as low as 25 because he did predict 25 and at one point 22 as well. So you guys can go back to yesterday's stream. Both Wadi and I used our indicators on our charts to figure out what's happening for the futures. And it is pretty bearish right now. But hey, it is Bitcoin week, they're saying, and people are going long. So we'll see what happens in the overall scheme of things. People got to live, sell stock to afford daily life. The freaking Oracle, that's exactly what's happening. That's exactly what's happening. Trophias called this to the T. Trophias, I'm so glad I had insider info. I sold all my ship before the rug. Pistol Pete, you need to, why didn't you come onto the stream and tell us, bro? We're still here. We're still here representing. You got to let us know that this is happening. Teddy, the gentleman to the end, even though Cliff left Shibnobi community in huge broke pockets. Yes. I have signed things. I have done things, so I just cannot speak on it, but I have my own take on what has transpired, and it is definitely going to be interesting what ends up happening. But I know the Shibnobi community is pushing forward, and there is a board, and they're doing a lot of things, I think, that are going to be helpful for the community to continue from what has been left. I am fine. Thank you. Steve C. I keep thinking about it. I'm like, remember that one guy I used to talk to back in the day? We used to have deep conversations, bro. Where you been? How's life? How are the kids? Wait, no kids. How's everything? Why did the markets dip? So markets dip because one, a lot of people saying Elon Musk sold, right? We're going to go right to the news here. So one of the first things, we got U.S. leading indicator falls further in July. We got bad news right off the bat. This happened right in the morning around 10. We were going bearish. This is the 16th straight month that a decline has happened, and we fell another 0.4, and literally 0.7 in June, 0.4 now. That's a full 1%, 1.1% right there. And imagine how much lower it's going to go into August here at the end of August. So it's not looking good. People feeling bearish already about this leading indicator here, which caused the initial bearish sign that something bad was happening. Then out of nowhere, we get hit with the XRP, the lawyers, and this is not the same article, but XRP basically the case, the judge comes out and goes, hey, that appeal that SEC did, yeah, we're going to listen to it. It's fine. We're going to consider that. So that caused XRP to dip even more from market conditions. So there's a lot of community faith being lost in projects, and it is just something we need to build back together. I sound like Biden. Build back together. Oh God, Triple G, smoke that like buttons, like the stream. Renga, what's going on, Renga? Nice to see you, buddy. I'm seeing a low of 24,733. Don't even tell me this, but Mexi LP is different LPs than other exchanges. But yeah, when BTC price goes down, people are gonna suffer, and it may actually happen. So yeah, XRP. Going back to Pistol Pete's here. Why did the markets dip? XRP also had interesting thing before it went to 58 cents, right? It goes down, and these guys literally go, hey, people that are whales are just leaving because they don't like and this Stewart guy is one of the attorneys there for XRP. They don't like that the SEC's request is all being approved and stuff. Like it's a constant battle that's never ending. And it's like, dude, this has nothing to do with this. The only reason this went down is because the judge did approve it and the markets went sour, right? We got the indicator that caused it, and that finally buckled down, and people started waking up and realizing that shit may go bad. And then the bank news comes out where China, right? The Chinese bank is like, we can't do it no more. We're calling it quit, throwing the towel. And it's been a problem. We've already read news where people in China were getting or having trouble accessing their own funds that are in the bank locked up. They couldn't get to their own money. And then a few months passed by. Hey, one of the real estate banks, hey, we got to close down. We can't do this. We need someone to bail us out. Is China going to come and bail them out? Is BRICS going to come in and bail them out? This is the reality. And even the whale activity here as the price dips, all this, I think it's expected. I think people know that we're seeing really bad bearish indicators, and it's not looking good. So this is another one, because now that we know that Elon Musk potentially has sold his Bitcoin holdings, um, and maybe he knows something. He's an insider too, and he's all about DCAing. This ain't the first time he's done this type of stuff. But what ended up happening is MicroStrategy has a lot of companies under its belt. So it's led by Michael Saylor. Um, and this guy basically now holds 152,800 Bitcoins, which makes him 4.4 billion. And he has about 0.72% of the supply, which is, 21 million. Dude, this guy he's going to be holding a lot once he gets to 210,000. He's going to have 1% of the supply. And I think that's his goal. So while Elon only holds 10,000 Bitcoin, which is only 309 million, and 309 million is a lot, right? 309 million is a lot, but these guys are like, nah, MicroStrategy got him. And now Elon sold. So Elon's already out of the battle before we even knew it. Happy to see new people join the Goon stream. Welcome to the Goons fam. Do subscribe and stay tuned. We stream every day, Monday through Thursday, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. The notifications sometimes come in late, around 8 to 8:15. So make sure you keep refreshing till you see the notification, because I promise you, I am here. I've been here. I never leave. Teddy, I'm here late, but I have arrived. I got rug. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We're just talking news right now, and we're gonna go right into the charts because there's been a lot that has happened. The next few news articles are quick. I will get through them as well. But yeah, MicroStrategy, big loss there for Elon, but hey, he lost the battle before it even started. Axie Infinity under scrutiny from the Philippine police, and this is a true thing. Why they feel this is play to earn is an issue in the Philippine gamer community, as well as what it's doing for the Filipino community as a whole. So they are talking about even getting into the platform. People are having to dish out $300, where in Filipino currency is also a lot. And sometimes even getting to that $300, they're getting scammed. There's all these plays trying to get into the Axie Infinity play to earn gaming, and even getting in, they're saying is causing concern. So they're basically raising red flags and letting people know that, hey, this is a true risk that is there when trying to play and get into Axie Infinity. This community is not for everybody, and you do need to pay in order to get in. I bought XRP at 51 cents. Am I screwed? Oh, Pistol Pete, stay here. I will show you XRP. I want to go through all the charts. You will love this. And welcome back, by the way, guys. I love to see the numbers are going up. So I appreciate you, Wadi. Thanks for jumping on the stream. I'm assuming a lot of the WAD squad has joined today. So welcome, WAD squad. Let me see here. Shibarium hits rocky road, so transactions get stuck. So we talked about this a little earlier when we were talking about Shibarium and one of the potential issues. So this was something that was released by many. Shroom Daddy came out and they were like, hey, in case you guys are wondering what's happening, that 1.7 million is stuck in that ETH bridge that they had, and people never got to use it. So they are comparing this to base. And it's not looking good for Shibarium, so that's a big decrease down. And then, by the way, Bybit is freaking trying to stay here, guys. They're like trying to be the Coinbase, the Binance of whatever exchange you want to call them. I don't think they're any specific country, but they are definitely ensuring that they get PYUSD and get PayPal to integrate with them first before anyone else, and they're pushing to get it and make it happen. So shout out to them. Good luck with that. The other fun one, Pepe bounced. This is the news I woke up to, and I was like, yes, Pepe did bounce from 1100 to 1112, but since then the market has continued to go down. So Very, very sad. Let's see the chat. Let's see the chat, Teddy. Why you gotta hold me in mystery? Yes, we are now going to the charts. That's all I had for the news. Overall, very bearish news. None of it seems super helpful in any way, shape, or form. So I am gonna start off with Bitcoin, as we have charted Bitcoin at my level. Oh, 26667 for quite some time, and right now it is hugging 26705. I see that 26705. It is literally there, and my level is at 26667. And I've had this level for months. And you can see how the support is so nicely bouncing back from here. But it did break at a certain point, and we dipped down to that 25169. And people ate that dip. And this is where the let me see here if I will get, there it is. This is where the triple G indicator made by our very own SK My Travelia, that's in the chat, 25871. So it even broke his the triple G indicator level of support there before it bounced back, had that reversal, and we're now hoping that it stays above 26667. And unfortunately, guys, I'm in a quarrel with myself where I don't want to believe it, but I believe it is very well plausible that we are going to continue to dip, because I don't think the support level is here to stay, because this is a strong red candle down and that news was intensive, and we are not sure what the next news is going to be coming Monday. This is going to go neutral. I do believe we're in that, go back to that crab market, slowly take profit dip, which does entail that we're going to dip below 25,871 again. And I seeing Wadi's indicator, seeing my indicators, putting the two analysis together, I think this could be across the board. We're looking at price movement below 25,871, and it's very well plausible, and it's been shown by multiple indicators apart from what I use here. So moving on to Ethereum. Ethereum, another big hit. I told you guys, I'm never going to move my indicators. These levels are here to stay. 1693 was where I set it at. Right now it's trading 1690. I'm going to call it. It's pretty much at support. I'm hoping that it stays and continues to go sideways here, but it is not looking that way. My next level of support comes in 1543. So we wait and we watch to see where this is headed. In reality, both Wadi and I had predictions close to 1274, but I don't want to scare anybody, but under 1000 again could be plausible if no good news comes out, but it's not. That's literally worst case scenario right now. 15 and 1469 do seem achievable if there's no positive news coming in the next few days. Like I said, I'm holding my short since 1830. There you go. I got rug. I remember you saying that. I'm back. My internet died for a minute. My crypto. William, what's going on, buddy? Nice to see you back again in here, again connected. Always good to know. Always good to know, dude. We're just looking at the charts right now, going down the list. Bitcoin, Ethereum, we're done. BNB, and this is why, many people like Teddy you should just remove your levels. I'm tired of looking at all these lines. And I'm like, dude, there's a reason. I just trust. I just trust in my system, and it works for me. And I don't know if it works for you guys, but hey, people tend to either agree or disagree. So this initially came in as, hey, maybe we had a level of support at 235. We dipped well below 235 and actually got to 220, which is my level of support I drew for BNB, and it did achieve that. So we're at 219. Guys, this is just how predictive our indicators has been throughout. We have been charting this for months. Every day we get on the stream and we look at these charts, and look, this is the predictive analysis. This is why we can make these decisions and be like, hey, this isn't a surprise to us. We knew the price action was headed this way. You know, it's one thing to come in and go, I don't know what's going to happen. It's another thing to be like, hey, this is the level it could get to. This is the target I want to get to, and this is where I want to figure out how much money I make. And that's our type of thinking that we have now shifted to, which completely was not there before. Bro, I thought you were going to show XRP's chart. Do you think 51 is a buy? Wait, XRP is the next chart. XRP is the next chart. Here we go. Here we go. XRP is, so you got in on XRP at 51. The triple G indicator right now, here, now we'll move my screen so you see more of this chart here. The triple G indicator right now has almost everything as a bearish sign. And even the Andean oscillator, you have a bearish sign. Even the HARSI, you have a bearish sign. So my initial level of support came in at 51. It is at 50.94. So I'm hoping it trends sideways. But if not, my next level of support comes in at 43. And to be honest, there is no positive news coming out from XRP that, knowing how the XRP community is, and just from the last few times it has touched 51, I do believe it's gonna dip and bounce back before we see levels higher. Pistol Pete, not financial advice, but if you look at the history of what XRP has done when it's around these levels, especially even in breakout and even in levels of support at 51, you see in historically it has not been a positive sentiment for XRP. And that's not any FUD to anyone holding XRP. That is just what we've seen historically. So yeah, XRP, Pistol Pete, hang in there, buddy. You're either hanging in there or you're DCAing at this point. I got into ETH short also 1830, 100x closed it at 1500 on Binance. Beautiful day. I love to hear that. I love to hear that. NW, you are the true winner here, sir. I'm so glad you made moves like that. That's exactly what I love to hear. So this is the biggest upset of them all. The biggest upset of them all. We did break through the triple G level of support at I want to say 508, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 508. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 508. Yeah. ADHD. You don't know. You don't understand. By the way, guys, 24 goons in the house. If this is your first time watching the Ganja Goons here, guys, we love hanging out. We stream every day, Monday through Thursday, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. Go look for that notification. YouTube has shadow banned me, so you really gotta refresh. Find me 8:15 p.m. Monday through Thursday. We're here. We're smoking that like button. And if you smoke that like button, you're a cool goon too. So welcome to the club. We appreciate you. And definitely think about subscribing. It helps our freaking channel. And we want to grow as much as we can. So let me see here. We're going to continue on. Shiba Inu. What can we say with all the news that's came out, the transactions that are stuck? There's nothing positive happening right now. And I'm not sure what the next case will be, because even if Shibarium comes out, right? Real scenario here. Even if the most positive thing happens for Shiba Inu, who's going to be using Shibarium? What is the reason to use Shibarium over any other layer 2 that already exists on top of Ethereum? Exactly. I'm sorry. I answer my own questions. It's more of just to hear myself in silence. You have no idea. It's what we do here. So yeah, Shiba Inu, big upset there. And I'm just going to go through the memes there as well. Doge, it has not hit my level of support, but I do believe 6 cents makes sense for consolidation, as it's a mental level of support. But as of right now, I'm still watching Doge, because I know this guy Elon has plans for it. And now that he sold the Bitcoin, you start to wonder, is his next plan to do something with Doge and pump that in there and potentially hold the supply? Because, I can't beat MicroStrategy, but maybe I can hold the most supply of Doge. Boom. Right. And pump that. So this guy's thinking for the future. So I'm still fairly neutral on Doge, and we'll see what happens there. I jumped right back in now at 1720. Tight stop loss. Let's see. Oh, dude, at 100x. Oh yeah, that's a tight stop loss. Oh yeah, so you jumped in at 1720 and it's at 1689. Okay. So yeah, I mean, set your take profits. Even 5% is 5%. Get back in there. You have no idea. I have played this game enough that the future is makes complete sense to me. So Pepe, I was initially bullish, and then the short signal came in, and this was a true indicator because we saw the news as well. That people were saying, "Hey, this is going to have uh, a reversal because it dipped, it got eaten up, it dipped, it got eaten up." So we're like, "Hey, we're back in the 1200 range," and then boom, we downtrended a little bit more, and we're currently hovering at 1079. So people are sad. But it's expected. Everyone's hurting right now, and Pepe is not hurting the most, but it is hurting. Shiba Inu is hurting the most today, alongside XRP. So shout out to those guys over there. Yeah, I see XRP continuing to dip here, Pistol Pete. So yeah, man, maybe take a picture of this. It'll help you as well, or you can even pause the video and go back and see and be like, "Yes, Teddy said." Teddy said. All right, so we're moving on. What's new? What's new? What's new? So let's go check out some live new pairs, deck stools, whatever it may be, just to see what's trending out there. You know, what's really the hot new pair here. Telly and WETH. What? Ethereum? Oh, dude, Bitcoin is freaking 9.3 percent up. Wow, that's wild. That is wild. And these guys are still trending. Dude, all the fake ones are trending right now. You see this? Ethereum trending. What's the other one? Bitcoin. I just went to Solana. Look at this. This is the fake Solana, right? Barbie, Crash Bandicoot, all that. I mean, downtrending, but with the market, I mean, ETH's down. These prices are going to get affected by ETH going down already. Selmo Fudd, what's going on? Nice to see you, buddy. Just reviewing the market right now, especially because you guys are going to be going into the weekend. You won't see me again for 3 days, but no, there is a Teddy. No, there is a Teddy, and he's going to come back. And we're going to get the inside scoop. So you are going to suffer without me for 3 days, but I will give you some YouTube shorts. Enjoy the YouTube shorts. They are fun. I'm getting good traction on them, so I appreciate the YouTube short community as well. You guys are definitely helping out my analytics. AXEX. I didn't even hear of this. Let's see here. AxeCap, the first and only Telegram bot designed for leveraged synthetic stock trading. Oh wow, they got a full AxeCap bot, X Uber, X Tesla. Okay, AxeCap bot, SoFi Technologies, wallet balance $49, and take profit and or stop loss. So it places orders for them over 120 assets plus. Perfect 1000x leverage trades. Oh my god. Revenue shares determined by the amount of tokens held. So there's even rewards that are coming soon. Yeah, this sounds crazy. This is a true utility, huh? And it's at, wait, what am I getting? What happened to all the info, man? Why do I got this Dex stuff? More info? Oh, this is interesting way to show it now. I did not even know they show it like this. Holders 1.6. I don't like this. I don't like this view. I don't like the change. Dex tools, what are you doing to me? But 24-hour volume, 6.5 million came in, 763K in LP, 13 million market cap. I mean, that's pretty good. Oh, I bet they're trying to get them to use Dex swap so you can just connect and buy it here and not go anywhere else. Or try Uniswap, because this one's, oh yeah, Kyber swap. This is what me and SK use. Well, anytime Uniswap doesn't work. What are your thoughts on Caspa? Wait, let me just make sure I went through all the what's new here. Yeah, I think most everything else seems old. Metal tools. What's metal tools? Metal.tools. I mean, that website load time took forever, but other than that, looks like a Pepe knockoff. Metal Tools, Metal Trading Bot, Alpha Bot, Hall of Fame. Okay, so these are transactions that it has bought and sold, I guess. Harry Potter, Obama, Pepe 2.0, Nihao, Bobo, Hamsters, Pepe. So it's making money buying and selling Pepe. I have no idea. I don't know. I'm already feeling pretty like this coin's not here to stay because of the Pepe stuff. But at the same time, we're in Pepe Max. Wait, how's Pepe Max doing? Oh wait, probably not well because ETH went down. Yeah, 50% down. No man. Yeah, ETH's down too, and they got low LP, so it's expected. But 7.45K in LP, 22K. Ah man, from the 48K that we were at yesterday. So oh yeah. Big boys taking profits, it looks like. So I probably am down to a little bit then. Yeah, because I had like one something, right? Like so I'm probably at like 0.1. Yeah, let's see. Still a hold. We'll see. Was that it? Link. We looked at Link before. Damn. 625K in LP now. 8 million market cap. This thing is just making moves. How? D-app. Hybrid future, building connected tomorrow. Yeah, I like the website. Looks nice. All right, so Caspa, let's go over to our next segment, Goon Time, the final segment. This is your chance. If you guys need chart analysis, you need me to give you my take on something, you need my opinion, this is your time. Shout it out in the chat. We're starting off with Caspa. Teddy Caspa. Let me see. Wait, I actually remember doing Caspa a couple times. I can't recall which one's the right Caspa. So I'm gonna do it the normal way I do it, which is go here. Whoop. Sorry. Positioning of my thing. 3 cents. Oh, let me just grab the. Is there a Raptor version of this? No. Is there a. Can I get a better reading? All right. Well, we're going to do this blindly. Let's see. Give me the all. All right. So the lowest it's been is 301. And you're at 3 cents right now on a pullback from an all time high. And just like mental. So this was another all time high at 3.9. So you even dipped below the previous all time high. And even if you go to the previous all-time high, it was only 4 cents. So what's the lowest it's been was 2. Dude, I mean, if you're betting on 1-2 cents, unless you hold a large majority, I think it's a DCA time if it goes down, because you're betting on these like pennies, you know. You're basically investing in penny stocks at this point. That's the thing. Dude, I am a whale in Pepe Max. I bought with you guys at like 7K liquidity. I think I bought in at this market cap. I put in a 0.1, and I'm like, dude, I'm a whale. I own like 1% now. But yeah, Caspa looking pretty decent as a potential long term plan. I know it's their own network and everything. There's nothing that's reliant here on Ethereum, right? Yeah. So it's their own digital ledger enabling parallel blocks, instant transaction confirmations. It's like literally a competitor to Ethereum. Following in the ethos of coins like Bitcoin, Litecoin, or Monero. And it's completely open source with no central governance. You see? Fair launched without pre-minting or any pre-allocation of coins. So literally the people that are in are insiders of Caspa. So I liked everything I've heard about Caspa. Finn, is that on CoinMarketCap or is that Dex Tools? Finn. Oh, Huckleberry. Ha 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 ha. I remember Huckleberry. I would say this is done, bro. There is no way. There is no way anything is coming out of this. Let me see. I thought this was done a long time ago, actually. Yeah, I don't believe this. They don't even have any other markets, right? Yeah. Like, what even is this traded on? Wamu War? Even the volume, $25, $1,000. Get out of there, Anthony Williams. There's nothing there. Teddy, I'm thinking of getting a short in Shib, but give me your TA. Okay, wait. Let me show you Shib because we looked at just a few right here. And I will actually chart this for you, buddy. How about that? I'll give you some lines here. We're gonna start off on the day. I'm gonna zoom out and just chart the initial, and here's the last low in the current time frame I'm at. Change the color. Then we'll go to the last high in the current time frame. So that's 4015, and then 504. And now I'm gonna chart in between this. So I'm going to the last high here before the initial downfall, and I'm going to the consolidation mode after this dip. All right, so this is what I see right now for Shiba Inu, and the triple G indicator put. I think this was initial level of resistance turned. I'm sorry. Was a level of support turned resistance now, so that puts it at 50853. I'm at, if this continues to dip, we're looking at 5064, dude. We're looking at 5064. That's a heavy hitter. That's a heavy hitter. That's a big gamble right there, because the last time you went bearish, Shiba Inu is one of those things that will continue to drop over time if no news comes in, right? Like literally, it's a community-driven project as well. So unless the community vibe is strong, it's usually going down, and this is how it's been for quite some time, right? Since the initial peak. So this is where we are. This is why I zoom out. Zoom out when in doubt. Now all these levels I charted, it turns into a freaking line, you know? So keep in mind, guys, we're already pretty much at the bottom. If you're hoping for that all-time high, and after this Shibarium debacle, it's no, Finn just launched. Finn is hippie dev, happy dev. Finn is happy dev. What the hell? Happy as in Happy Bear? Freaking love Happy Bear. Let me see here. Happy Bear. Triple G's Lazy Shaman Show. Oh, is that now? Don't worry, we're out of here. We're almost done. I just want to quickly look at QNT is a good buy under $200. I'm sorry, $100. Let me look at QNT. I don't think I have it on here yet. QNT USDT, please. Yeah, 97. And I have level of support at 95 from the Triple G. It is at currently buy signal on the 1 minute and 5 minute. All right, let me find your Finn, and then we will get out of here. Finn token. Finn, this one. 50K in LP, 400K market cap. Is it really the happy dev? Can you prove to me it's the happy dev, and then potentially? Because I know the happy bear guys are very good at pushing tokens. They are all about community and building utility, and that's nice to see because you don't see many people like that. Nah, I'm just on the wrong account. Oh, okay, thank God. What's going on? Shaman says, "You scared me, buddy. You scared me." Yeah, I mean everything else is down. So if Finn is going up and 50K in LP, then that's the risk you're taking, I guess. Freaking Selmo Fudd. Selmo Fudd. All right, guys, I'm out of here. So I will see you guys again on Monday. Make sure you tune in 8:15 p.m. Eastern. Don't forget about me. Don't forget about me. 3 days. I'm always reachable. Twitter, Telegram at Teddy Ganja, TEDIGANJA. Stay safe. Stay strong. Um, don't just don't get rug pulled. And most importantly, guys, don't be a freaking hero. Just don't do it.
Don't get wrapped up. Yeah, yeah. 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 Get informed, get informed.